This video says we need a triple pane window.
My mom said to get double.
Well, this video says triple.
What does triple pane even mean?
Need advice? Not sure where to start. The Project Center. The Project Center.
The Project Center.
Product experts.
Yeah, we've got 'em.
Custom orders.
Just leave it to us.
Need a new deck.
See it in 3D. Free project quotes for all your needs. Fixtures, supplies, accessories.
Who knew the Project Center could be so helpful?
And so musical.
Oh, need some flooring.
We've got options.
Looking for siding.
Hundreds of colors.
Lost some shingles. We've got you covered. Grabbing lumber's such a breeze. We'll trim to any length you need.
And we book delivery.
The Project Center has your back for all your project needs.
Only at Kent.
Right products, right solutions, right here at home.